Hello friends and students. In last YouTube videos, I have taught you compositions in Tal, Trital and Rupak. But today, I am just going to explain you the basic concepts which we are playing on tabla, like what is Tal, what is Lay, what is Tihai, what is Sam, what is Avartan, what is Mukhda, or what is Tukda. I am just going to brief you this concept in today's YouTube video. And the first definition, that is called as sum. What is sum? Sum means a first beat of any tal. For example, if you start dadra tal, dha din na, dha tin na, dha din na, dha tin na, dha. So this dha, from where we start our tal and on which we finished our tal. So that is called sum. Second point is avartan. Avartan means is a time cycle of the rhythm. I am just taking the example of dadra tal. For example, dha dhin na, dha tin na, dha. I started from dha, I finished on dha, so I finished the one circle. That one circle is known as time cycle, that is avartan. Third is tal. Tal is a unique concept. It is a fixed structure of the beats, that is called matras, and those matras are static for that particular rhythm. In tal, there are particular structure of the beats and they are divided into particular parts. For example, trital. Trital has four parts and there are particular signs for the actions for the padant, that is sum. So what is a sum is known as cross. Khali means zero. And in trital, when you start the trital, you know that there are three talis in trital. That's why it is known as trital. So it is fixed structure of the tal. That is, first beat is sum. Dha dhin dhin dha, dha dhin dhin dha, dha tin tin dha, dha dhin dhin dha. So you understand that there are three talis and those talis place is fixed for that particular tal. Now that's why it is known as tal. Now what is theka? Now tal is just beats which we can count by numbers also. But the theka, which represents the tal, means the letters of the tabla, the sound of the tabla which are fixed for that particular tal. Those letters, when we fix for the particular tal, it become a theka for that tal. For example, Kehrwa tal. Kehrwa has 8 beats. Dha, the, na, ti, na, ka, thi, na. But exactly there are only 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. This is a tal. But when I speak dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, thi, na, dha, this sound of the tabla represents that counting of the Kehrwa tal and it become a theka. Concept or definition is Tihai. Tihai is very unique form, but it is very famous and very much used in the form of music, that is dance, playing or singing. In tabla, when we are going to finish any kind of composition, we play Tihai. Tihai means we have to take one phrase, we have to put equal gap when we play it 3 times, and at the end, when the last beat or letter come on the sum of the tal, it called as Tihai. Tihai has 3 variations. It is known as Bedam Tihai, Damdar Tihai, Chakradhar Tihai. We learn Damdar Tihai often. For example, in tal, trital, we learn kaida called as dhadha titta, dhadha tinna, tata titta, dhadha ninna. and I taught the tihai dha dha tit dha dha tinna dha. 1 dha dha tit dha dha tinna dha. 1 dha dha tit dha dha tinna dha. This dha is on the sum. Now I am going to do the padant of this tihai, so you will understand. Dha tin tin dha dha tin tin dha dha tin tin dha dha tin tin dha 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 tit dha dha tinna dha. 1 dha dha tit dha dha tinna dha. 1 dha dha tit dha dha tinna dha. Then our whole composition get end on this dha with the